Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by updating the YouTube app and signing into your account so changes stick to your profile. Once done, open Settings and go to History and Privacy. Pause Watch History to stop shorts from reshaping recommendations. Next, find a short on your home feed. This is the first actionable item. You will tell YouTube you don't want it. Pausing history and targeting a short immediately reduces future short format recommendations quickly and predictably. Now you need to teach YouTube what to stop showing. For each short, press the three-dot menu and pick Not Interested. Then choose Don't Recommend Channel when that option appears, because channels drive repeated shorts. Next, clear specific entries in your watch and search history to remove signals that train the algorithm. Repeat these actions on several shorts across genres. The more consistent you are, the faster the home algorithm adapts and reduces shorts in your TV feed. Finish by switching your primary browsing habit. Use the Subscriptions tab or open content from library links rather than the home feed, and turn autoplay off to avoid previews feeding shorts. Make sure to sign out and back in or clear the app cache to apply recommendation changes. If shorts still appear, reinstall the YouTube app and reboot the TV. That often forces a fresh recommendation sync. Troubleshooting tip: if shorts persist after reinstall, check for a pending app update or test the web browser version on your TV.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.